Now I'm going to show you how to create a user passcode and a system passcode and explain what the difference is between the two. Now, before we do that, we have to turn the keypad lock on. And the keypad lock, once turned on, is telling the system to prompt you to enter a password in order to arm and disarm the system, as well as enter the control panel. So let's turn that on right now. So we're going to go into settings, and then we're going to go into switch, and then we're going to click on keypad lock, and it says off. So we're going to turn that on by selecting here. It'll turn green, so then just press the check mark to confirm. It says setting okay, everything's good. Takes us back. Now all I need to do is go back one more, and we are at the settings page. So here's where we can create a password. So let's select password. Here you will see two different buttons, System and User. This means you can have two different passcodes. These are both separate passcodes which you can program. If you jumped into the section of the video because your system is locked when you first plugged in the display, then please try using these two default passcodes. There's a system default passcode, which is number 6666, and a default user passcode, which is 1234. If you're still having issues unlocking the system, please visit the contact page at www.osigodirect.com and select Create a Support Ticket, and one of our support agents will help you with your issue. Okay, now back to the system and user passcode. The system passcode acts like an administrator passcode with a security feature where you have control over changing both your system passcode and the user passcode. But anyone who unlocks the display using just the user passcode cannot change the system passcode. This feature was especially created due to demand for those renting rooms in their house or Airbnb property owners who wanted their guests to have a separate passcode without being able to change the system passcode. So the system passcode should be kept secretly and only used by the business or homeowner. Please note, always keep your system password in a safe place, because if you forget this passcode, you'll need to create a support ticket at osigodirect.com, as you'll need our help to unlock the system for you. As far as the user passcode is concerned, it should be different from your system passcode. You would typically give this user passcode to your kids, guests, roommates, or Airbnb renters, for example, where you may need to change the user passcode when they move out, or if you need to cut off access to your property for any specific reason. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change the user and system passcodes. Select User to change the user passcode, and select System to change the system passcode. Again, the system passcode would be the same as calling it an administrator passcode or a master passcode, for example. So for now, let's select System. Now press the Delete button to delete the old passcode. Then enter the new passcode. Then select the check mark to confirm. And that's it. To change the user passcode, just repeat the exact same steps. Also, keep in mind that through the Smart Life app, you can share the system with unlimited users. This will give them access to arm and disarm the system through the Smart Life app. You can also remove these users at any time. Please note, whoever you decide to share the system with will have to set up an account on the Smart Life app as well. Well, we hope this video helped you out. All the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below, and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.